What makes Steel King good for students who are starting is that they give an opportunity to everyone. I like to tell the story that my son had no welding experience when he started, and he was able to learn on the job and is currently still here with Steel King. The desire to learn is something that we really promote here at Steel King. Majority of our people that we have here has been promoted within. And so in addition to promoting within, we do have tuition reimbursement. We push education here. And so that's one thing that I really like. You can start from the bottom and work your way up to the top.
I definitely didn't know that there was an industry for steel racking, because when you're in a store, you never see it unless you go in the back, or like if you're going through Menards in the lumber section, you see like racking, but you never put two and two together. Steel King has definitely made a very positive impact on my career. Steel King has definitely been like my first greatest stepping stone.
Steel King can empower you to be that change, to be that difference. We were able to do that by kind of engaging with you. And I would challenge you as a student coming out of school to be willing to take a risk and put yourself out there. What working at Steel King means to me, truly, it's a pride statement. We want to invest in students that want to invest in themselves. We want to be there as a partner with you in your career as you grow, and hopefully you grow with us for a long time.